Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So let's solve the Leetcode problem number 3. Longest substring without repeating characters. Given a string S, find the length of the longest substring without duplicate characters. Uh, so we have given the string and we need to find the length of the uh, unique characters like. So here as we can say ABC is the longest uh, unique characters, longest length of unique characters like A, B, C. Then there are other also B, C, A, and C, A, B. All the three all the three letters have the length of 3. So the answer is 3. So let's go to the whiteboard and see how to solve this. So first thing is what is a substring? Substring is a continuous string and subsequence is a non-continuous string. So to solve this problem we can first we can use the brute force. The brute force would be like keeping the we would keep getting the unique number, and if we get the duplicate then we stop and start the iteration again. So this is the this is very naive problem. So the time complexity would be so much. It would be very much. The time complexity would be very much. So the best approach will be to use the 2 pointer. We would have left and right pointer at the starting element, and a HashSet to remove the duplicate. Now the first we would run the for loop. Then if we don't get the character in the set, if we don't have the character, we would just add it. If we get the duplicate character, we would remove it and move the left pointer. If we don't have the character, we would add it and move the right pointer ahead. So the time complexity of this approach would be big O of n, because we are just traversing the string. Let's move and solve the problem. We would first define the set. So here we have defined the set, then the left pointer, then the right we are just traversing it, so we would take this right in the for loop. If we don't have the character in the set, we would just add it and move the right ahead. If we don't have, if we find the duplicate, if we ever find the duplicate element, we would just remove it and move the left ahead. Okay, I understood it. The problem is right, there are some bugs we would keep right, then we would just define the max length here. We would initialize it at 0, then so first we are defining the set, then we have the left pointer and max length to count the maximum length. Then we would have the for loop running in, where we have keep the right as a pointer pointing at a 0. Then we would run the while loop. If we found a right, we would remove it first. Then this is before, or we will first add this. We would add the character first and find the max length. If we find any duplicate here, then we would just remove the character from the left, and we would move the left ahead. So so uh, so it got accepted. The time complexity is big of n because we are just traversing the string. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel.